Hey.
Hi stars, you're wondering why we are so happy, right?
Yeah.
So our neighbor just put to bed, bouncing baby boy.
Very fine, baby. Okay, so we are going to be preparing goat meat pepper soup with yam for her. So let's show you how we are going to be doing that.
Yeah, this food they call it
Ufobomong
ufobomong in our dialect.
Exactly.
And it's mostly for nursing mothers and for rainy days. So let's go and show you how we did it.